So I bought the 3-pack of chains for my Echo off of Amazon. Changed it within a couple of minutes. It fit perfect. Did the adjusting of the chain, and look at here. Within minutes, we had all this. This is Apple, okay? And these are not small. These are big. Look at this. These are literally, what, three and a half fingers, almost 4 wide. So you're looking at almost 4-inch stumps. Look at this. Look at that, 4-inch branches. Okay, cut like nothing. All right, got all this. Okay, cut these down. Came over here. Got all these cut up. Look at that. I just cut it like butter. These are good blades. Yep. They're very good blades. I recommend them because, like I said, I had no problem with it. They did not heat up. They definitely did not go dull on me. Okay. And I had literally no problem with them. So if anybody's looking in, I got the 16-inch Echo. Okay, that's the model number. That's the kind of chainsaw I got. That's the kind of chains that fit for it. Definitely worth the money. All right.